The Dubatti One, the ultimate stroller. You can use it at home, to go to the woods or to go to the city. In this video, I want to show you the benefits of our strollers. The carry cot is height adjustable and can be placed in 2 different positions. This option is ideal for the taller people amongst us. The sun canopy can be easily opened and closed. The safety bar can be opened by using just one hand. This means you always have one hand free to take care of your baby. In the top cover of the carry cot, we produced a seam. This holds the cover when it's folded away. In the carry cot, we can find a ventilated mattress, which is a bit thicker at the top. The carry cot can easily be removed by using just 2 buttons. You can place it on any surface you want. The car seat adapters are separately available. You can use them for the well-known brands Cybex and Maxi-Cosi. The chassis has 4 large air wheels. You can use the Dubatti on any terrain. Normally, the front wheels can turn around 360 degrees. You can also lock them to use the Dubatti on very rough terrain. For extra comfort, we do have the rear suspension. The push bar can be positioned in 3 different positions. The brick can always be used from above. On the bottom of the Dubatti, we do have a lot of space, which is ideal for the taller people. The shopping basket can be opened and closed with the 2 magnets. To fold the Dubatti is very easy. You just push the white button and the Dubatti will stand upright. Also, the unfolding is very easy. You can use the same white button and the Dubatti will help you with this. For the seat, you can reuse the sun canopy, the handlebar and the frame. You only have to change the fabric. The seat is also height adjustable in 2 different positions. The seat can be positioned in 4 different positions: sleeping, relaxing, relaxing and sitting. You can also turn the seat around. The seat is provided with a 5-point harness with padded shoulder pads. The seat has also an ergonomic shaped seat. Later on, you can adjust the harness. The Dubatti One, the ultimate stroller. For more information or for a retailer in your area, please visit our website dubatti.com.